Are we excited or frustrated with the IPSY Extra? Their card says that this is the year of yes. And on the back, you get a little code up there and an advertisement. This frustrates me. I don't think we need this. I think this is a waste of money. Anyway, let's see what I got. Yes, let's see. The first product is a Natasha Denona face and eye palette, and they had this thing packaged within an inch of its life. It was in a box, and then inside there was more corrugated packaging. Oh, well, better to have it well packaged and safe than busted up in a bunch of palette poof. True. This is the Natasha Denona Hypernatural Face Palette. And I get to do swatches later. I am excited. This is intriguing to me. I like the fact that it's essentially a good grab and go palette. You've got your blush, you've got a little bronzer contour, and you've got some eyeshadow to work with, some of which does have that sparkle bling. And we like our sparkle and bling. And this has a retail of, what does my list say? $62. Whoa. Although it has a lot of parts and pieces. That it does. They picked the Natasha Denona palette from Anne's profile. They also picked a product here from Pink Lips. It is a lip sleeping mask. It is in the shade or the scent Cherry. I always find that leaves me thinking like it has a scent of cough medicine. More than likely this is going to get passed along. It has a retail of $18 for, is that 1.5 grams? I think I'm going to be passing this one along. So this is a little frustrating when I've told them before that I don't like things that are cherry scented. And then Anne got to make her 3 choices. The first one, I've had this brand before. I don't know if it is from, I'm going to say BoxyCharm, back when it was BoxyCharm, or if it was from a different box. But I've used this brand before, Dallas & James. It is watermelon scented, and we all know I do love me some good watermelon. So I thought I would give this a try. I might be trying this for the second time, or this might be a different version of their watermelon line. I honestly don't remember what I've tried before. So this is the Overnight Retinol Oil. It does give us an expiration date on the bottom. I don't know if it shows up too well or not. I'm leaving it fully packaged up so that it stays intact and nice and all that good kind of stuff. It has a suggested retail of $62. Oh, whoa. Skincare ain't cheap. No, it's not. I always get this name wrong. By Roy. I can never get the name right. It's a lip oil. The shade and scent are Sugar Plum. So this might have been better in the December box, but I'm not going to knock a good lip oil. It has a retail of $26. And where's the box that tells more of what it is got in it? Shimmer lip oil, Sugar Plum. What have you got in you? We have I found it. We have Upcycled Plum and High Shine Luma Film that leaves lips with multi-dimensional sparkle. And I sure do wish they would have made that print a little bit bigger. but I'm excited for the product itself. And in case we forgot to mention it, the lip oil was $26. And then I got to pick a eyeshadow palette. Oh, I'm excited because I get to do more swatches. From Girlactik, the Essential Palette Volume 2. And there she is. What attracted me to this one is the top row is matte and the bottom row is shimmer. So you can be as festive or as neutral as you want or need to be. Did you get anything that we got? Let me know, let me know. Did you see something that you want to go and get? Let me know, let me know. We have a code down below for a new, I almost said BoxyCharm. Yeah, I know, I keep wanting to say BoxyCharm. What is this darn thing called now? IPSY Extra. IPSY Extra. We have a code if you're not subscribed to IPSY Extra. I want a brush. No. Please. The Camel is ready with her brush and will now do swatches. Nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like swatching. Which shade was your favorite? I like anything with a sparkle. For a $32 box, this was a good box. I'd say I'm excited. But wait, there's more. There's more? More? She said there's more. I finally earned enough points. You get points by reviewing the products on their website after a certain date. I finally earned enough points to redeem something. What'd you get? What'd you get? Well, we all know I love me some good watermelon. I got this aceology sample. It's watermelon. And when I first saw it, I saw watermelon and basically hit, that's the one I want. These are under eye patches. I thought it was just an under eye serum. These are under eye patches. You get 2 of them. I had to spend 600 points to do it, but that's about the basic lowest amount of points I think you have to earn in order to get something. And it took me quite some time to get there. But I'm excited for these. These are, there's 2 of them, Aceology, Hydro Glow and Deep Hydration Watermelon Eye Masks. And if you look them up online, you find out that 4 pairs can be purchased for $29 from aceology.com. IPSY did have them on their website for $10, but they're sold out. So at $29, that means it's $7.50 for each under eye mask. So for each little, where did it go? Each one of these, each set is $7 and change, which is a little bit bougie. but it's watermelon. What do you think of her extra purchase? Let us know, let us know. So overall, I would say we are excited about this first box of the new year, this IPSY Extra, as they now call it. It's $32 a month. You can get the price lower if you sign up for a subscription. 5 full-size items. They choose 2, you choose 3. Hey, we're excited. How about you? Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Thank you for watching. Tell all your friends we want to get some more subscribers over here. Hope to see you in the next video. You tried any of these products? Let us know, let us know. I'm an inquiring camel. We want to know. See you later.